G'day viewers all, and use this old piece of junk. Never use these permanent magnet based head demagnetizers because they just magnetise the head more than they actually demagnetise. I'm just keeping this just for the collectability of it and the nostalgic thing, and mainly for parts. I need some spare hubs. I had a cheap knockoff Sony Walkman. This thing was so cheap, it only had fast forward and play, no rewind. Single drive, had just a little stub, and just one take up and fast forward only. So how cheap it was. But when I close the door on that thing, it would be slightly hard, and then it would click shut. Well, it turns out this tape wasn't very well aligned in that cheap knockoff Walkman, and snapped half the bloody teeth off the hubs. So I have to fix this. So I'm going to replace one of those hubs and swap it on one of these ones. Bit of a custom Sony one, this one. Let's fix it. Bought this from Woolworths back in 1999. I think 1999-2000. Pretty good tape, so got some good radio recordings on there I want to keep, so let's prepare this tape. I always keep things like this to fix other tapes with. Yeah, that's a bit bumpy with just two teeth in that hub. You can't even grab onto the bloody wheel properly. That ain't going to play nice, that'll just chew up. So I'm just riding the tape over to the new hub so I can change the other hub, but just, yeah, only got two teeth on it. Yeah, got a bit of a rod knock, it's going to go bang. Anyway, I've put the broken Sony hub and wired this onto the broken Sony hub. Just have it fix this up again, so it just works normally. But as I say, I'm never going to use it. A good old-fashioned Q-tip and alcohol works best to clean tape machines. Yeah, the tapes you really care about, it's worth fixing them. Look at that. Fast forward mode on. I couldn't take that wheel up, that's why I couldn't hear. No point rewinding if it's got no grip on that wheel. Jesus. Anyway. Fun thing about tapes, the first one was easy, but doing this hub, oh my god, the tape kept jumping out and unwound a little bit. Ah, what annoying. First time was amazing, but the second time was just a bit of a pain in the ass. But I did it without damaging the tape, so it's okay. Actually looks better with those hubs, actually. Doesn't look too bad at all with those hubs. Anyway, that's put it in the machine. All fixed. Working quite well now. Working very well now. Nice and smooth, playing smoothly. That's better. Colour looks better with those hubs on it actually than it did with the original ones. The colour looks better. My custom Sony tape. Anyway, that'll be enough viewers, and happy new year to you all. And yeah, thanks for watching.